Hello, everybody. It's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I am here with another pocket letter for hashtag 30 weeks pocket letter. And if you noticed on my previous videos, if you watched them, you're probably confused because guess what? I discovered I made a mistake in the weeks. I think on the last two videos. So we're technically on week 9. Yeah. Where I think I said I was on week 8 last week. Or whatever. I don't remember. But whatever. I'm technically on week 9. And so the one before this was about farms and animals on a farm. And I told you little stories about me growing up. Then my grandparents owned a farm. Then my parents owned a farm. Then I love cows. They gave me a couple black eyes. I even got a picture if you'd love this, like to see someday. Just leave it in the comments and I'll get it out. So when I had the little doodle bug paper down on the farm out, I decided to do a pocket letter just with cows because I love my cows, and I had all these, and I just, like I said, when I got this farm stuff out, I discovered other images that I have been tucking away. So I thought, well, technically I did both the previous pocket letter you've seen and this pocket letter all in the same day, but I'm only loading one up at a time. So like I said, I have a thing for cows. It comes from my childhood. My kitchen's cows. I got cows in my living room. I even got cows in my bedroom, guys. I think I got cows in my craft room. The only room I can't think of a cow in right now is probably my bathroom. But there's a cow somewhere in each room of my house. Plenty in my one corner of my whole living room is my collectibles of Mary Muumos that are made by Hallmark. And my kitchen is farms and cows and little red trucks. Craft room, I just got some cows that people have given me. So they're all over my house. In the bedroom, it's a stuffed animal. So I thought when I came across these images, I thought, okay, I'm going to just do a cow one because I had it all out. What the hell? And I don't even remember where I got these images, but these ones right here across the front top here remind me a lot of Mary Moo Moo cows. So, and I thought I'll use it. It's a different paper line that I came across. And where did I put it? I wanted to show you. And I did find the 12 by 12 big doodle bed. I was so excited. Just put my order in. I will have it in 9 to 10 days. Where did I put that? Oh, it's in here. Here, I'm looking around for it to show you guys. And it's sitting right here. It had bit me, guys. It is this paper pad. Oh, look at it, some more cows. Too cute. See, I got cows coming out of my ears. It's made by Bella Boulevard. It's called Barnyard. It just had a couple. Oh, there's the cover. See, here it is. Sorry. It's like, where'd the cover go? So I used this one and change it up a little bit. So cute, you know. Anything with this is a 6 by 8 paper pad. It's really cute. Well, I use pretty much the farm to me. Oink. But look at this. I can't wait to use this. Little farm scenery. Love it. So that's the paper on this one, except for the black and white. That is from an Etsy one I bought a while ago. So let's get into this. Up here, of course, is the little barn scenery. And then this little cow, she's dressed in clothes, and she has like a little pie. Then we have a birthday cow. And then we have a little cow with, it's like she's mixing something. These, look up Mary Muumos and you'll be like, oh yeah, I can see why they look like Mary Muumos to you. And then I have this that says, I love cows. And I got a little cow up here. And these little cute Valentine cows. I don't know where I got them, so I used them. And this little cow. And then this little gal. She's got hats on and she's holding her water buckets. I like how she has, her tail has a bow on. And then a little cow up here, Valentine's cow. Down here, I got a couple little Valentine's cows. And then I have cows right here. And then I have these cooking cows. And with all the little cooking instruments, milk, little Valentine's Day cows here. And that's how this one looks. I used a washi from the Doodlebug set. Right there. This is just a little simple one. I didn't embellish too much on this one because I didn't want to take it away. And of course, you all know I do front and back. Voila! Now, these cows were like, where you use a popsicle stick transfers. And I don't know where I got them, but they were so cute that they were actually made for wooden furniture, because that's what they showed on the package. So what I did is I transferred them on white paper, you know, and then I cut them out, and then so I could glue them instead of pressing them on the paper, this paper itself. This is another paper line from the same paper pad, this one right here. And then, of course, the cow print is, I didn't like the cow print that came with this paper pad because it was way big, way big. Let me see if there's one in here I can show you. I'll use it, but once I got it in the pocket letter, it just was too big for my liking. See, it just didn't look right. So I switched it out for this one. And these are some little die cuts that I had that's also in this one. And I used the farm washi tape going across the top and a cow print on the center. So that's this one. And that one. And you'll see repeat images of these in here. And then a little cow face, and then of course that one. They all have a little milk juice in there. Just oops, get off there. And that it's this week's pocket letter. I thought, you know, simple, cute, black and white. How pretty! But I think these are so cute. They're all cute. I like cows, so that's the bottom row again, middle row, and that row. And I'm gonna ignore that real quick. I'll call her back. And this is this week's pocket letter of hashtag 30 weeks of pocket letter. And if you'd like to join in the fun, I will hang on a minute. And then if you would like to join in the fun, it's just use the hashtag 30 weeks of a pocket letter. And you can upload it every Wednesday after 2 Central Standard Time. And I want to thank you all for watching. Sorry about the interruption of my daughter calling me. And I will talk to you all later. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.